Hello friends, welcome back to Letstute Accountancy. And if you are new to this channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the updates regarding further uploads. Do visit our website www.letstute.com to see our online courses at very affordable prices.
Hello, today we have a client, Miss Ellie. She came with many questions. So let's see what are her questions and doubts. Let's try to clear them all.
Hi, I was just thinking, I went to a private hospital last week where I had to pay much higher fees when compared to a charitable trust hospital which I usually visit. Why is that so? Have you observed that many people prefer buying goods from consumer welfare markets for reasonable rates as opposed to expensive retail shops? Also, there are some colleges, schools, sports clubs which provide services at either free of cost or at some concessional rates. So I was thinking that why don't they charge much? Why do they do it for free?
Okay. These organizations are different from organizations which are meant to profit. We have seen in one of our sessions different kind of business organizations, right? So what do you think? What will be the main motive of these organizations?
Profit, right?
True. But it is not necessary to have profit always as a motive. So there are some organizations whose main motive is not making profit but to provide services, that is, they are formed for the welfare of the society. And such type of organizations are called non-profit organizations or not-for-profit organizations. These kind of organizations are formed by some group of members who are interested in providing the best possible services at moderate rates or even without any charges. And they are formed for promoting health, art, culture, religion, sports, charity, etc.
Oh, that's nice information. Well, I also wanted to know more information like how do they get their finance or how their accounting gets done.
Yeah, sure. So we see that when any organization gets formed, the initial step is to bring capital in the business as the main source of finance, right? But in case of non-profit concerns, any member does not bring capital. They just give corpus or donation or pay the entrance fees, subscriptions, life membership fees, etc. And to take the important decision and to handle the daily affairs of these organizations, members elect or select chairman, trustees, and other office bearers like secretary, treasurer, etc. Now let's come to the accounting part. So you must be thinking that this is not the profit making organization, then why there is need to do accounting?
Yeah, I was just about to ask you that.
Accounting comes in the picture whenever there is any monetary transaction involved. It is necessary to have a record of it. So in case of these organizations, though they are not engaged in profit making activity, but they deal with the public or members' money, that is subscriptions, donations, grants, entrance fees. Hence, they are answerable to the society for such money collected and spent by them. All these organizations are also governed by some laws and rules, and therefore they also need to file with statutory authorities their accounts and other reports on a regular basis. Thus, proper books of accounts is must. There are many other reasons also for maintaining accounts of NPO.
So, can you tell me how their accounting books are prepared? And can you give me a gist of how their financial statements look?
Here to remember again, all the accounting principle remains same. Only the rules and regulations of particular organization may vary, like basic formation, trust deed, charter, but the accounting treatment will not change. So here we have two financial statements. On the left hand side there is financial statement of profit making organization, and on the other side there is a financial statement of NPO. Now we prepared trading, profit and loss and balance sheet for the profit making organization, right? Will it be same for non-profit organizations also? So most of the non-profit organizations generally do not trade. Hence, they will not require trading account. But sometimes such kind of organizations carry on trading activities like a restaurant run by a club, chemist shop by hospital, or bookshop by library. So for them, trading account will be required. So after trading account, there is profit and loss account. But since these organizations does not aim profit or loss, so instead of profit and loss account, it is called income and expenditure account. And the end result of this account will be either surplus or deficit. Now the income and expenditure account records only the revenue income and expenditure, whether received or not. Here we can see in the profit and loss account, it records all the office related expenses like salary, printing, stationery, rent, etc. And the receipts like commission, interest. Same will come in the income and expenditure account also. But other than these, there will be more items like medicine expense, drama expense, annual function expense, and incomes like subscriptions, revenue donations, profit on sale of asset, and others. Now, if the expenses are more than income, then it will have a deficit, and if the income is more than expense, then it will have a surplus. And this surplus will then be used for the welfare of the society or members only. So now, after these two accounts, finally we can prepare the balance sheet, which is mostly the same for all type of organizations. But the only difference is, here there will be owner's fund, which represents the owner's money, and in this balance sheet there will be capital fund, which represents the amount contributed by the members. Other than capital fund, there are other funds like prize fund, building fund, endowment fund, etc.
So that is it?
No, wait. There is one more account which is prepared by the non-profit concerns. It is like a summary of cash and bank transaction for a particular period. It is very similar to a cash book in its form, having receipts to the left hand side and payments on the right hand side. Hence, it is called receipt and payment account. It is a real account. Credit transactions will not record in the receipt and payment account. Now we see that in income and expenditure account, we only record revenue, income and expenses. But here in the receipt and payment account, we will record all the receipts, revenue and also the capital receipts. Here is the difference between capital and revenue, income and expenditure. Have a look at it. So this was all about NPO, its financial statement. Hope this session was helpful to you. In the next session, we will be having a detailed glance over the financial statement of NPO.
If you liked our session, do like, share and comment. And yes, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the updates for all our upcoming videos. Do visit our website www.letstute.com to see our online courses at very affordable prices. So see you in the next session. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.